Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a new airdrop and the name of the project is dTelecom. They provide deep in infra for real-time voice, video and AI communication. And the best part is this project is backed by top names such as Solana, Google, 11 Labs. So this is a huge opportunity for you. Right now they have 61k followers and they just recently announced their 2.6 million airdrop rewards. I'll show you step by step how you can join this project, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you find this page link. After landing here, first you need to connect your wallet. For that, click here on connect wallet, then you can choose your following wallet. So I select MetaMask here. Then connect, and after that confirm the request. Now you are set to go. So here basically you need to complete a few tasks, but right now all are locked. So to unlock them, first you need to connect your Twitter account. So click on connect X, then authorize the app. Then after connecting, you need to engage on their tweet. So click here, go to post, then simply like, then retweet, and then comment on their post. Then go back to the airdrop page and click on claim, and done. So as you can see, all tasks are now unlocked. So next you have similar X like, share, tweet tasks, make sure to complete them. Also here is the daily check-in section, so you can check in daily to earn 5 points. Also scroll down a bit and here you find the reference option, so you can copy this link and share it with friends to boost your points. Also here you will find some other social tasks such as you can connect your Discord account, so click on connect Discord, then authorize, and right now it shows an error, you can try later. Also you can connect your Telegram. So overall that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section, and please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.